Good morning, children. Today we will going to do lesson number 9, verbs of your English grammar book. What are verbs? A verb tell us what the subject in a sentence is, what it does or what it possesses. Verbs express action, being and possession. Verbs, we all know that verbs are the action doing words. The words which performs an action are called as verbs. But verbs are also those which tells us the possession, which possesses, what it possesses. The subject in a sentence is. For example, Azhar is a boy. Here is a form of being. I eat an apple every day. So eat is an action. Shalini has a red dress. Now has is showing your possession. Verbs are the most important part of a sentence. In fact, we cannot form a sentence without a verb. Like Raman go to the market is not a sentence. Raman is going to the market is a sentence. A verb in a sentence may be formed in different ways. Sandhya sat on a chair. Your verb is sat. Only one verb. Raj is sitting on a stool. Here two verbs is and sitting. Two words are the verbs. Parizad will be sitting on that sofa. Here three verbs are there, will, be and sitting. So in this exercise number A, you have to underline the verbs in the following sentence and write that how many verbs are in the sentence. See the first one, Rafat and Maria are going to the library. So are and going both are two verbs. So you have to write in the box 2. Next, Farzan and Mari are good friends. So here only one verb is there. So you write 1. Samarth will be going to the market soon. Now here 3 verbs are there, will, be and going. So you have to write 3. Parth was studying quietly in his room. So was and studying, 2 verbs are there. So you have to write 2. Now the next one is, last one, the engineer will be repairing the computer in the lab. So will and be and repairing. 3 verbs are there. So you write 3 in the box. Now, verbs that express actions, verbs like go, sit, stand, talk, walk, etc. express actions. Go to the market. Ali walks 4 kilometers every day. Please sit down. So these are the words which tells you the action. What action is performed by the people. Now in the same way, here in this B exercise, you have to match the actions of the animals that can do them. Like tiger can roars, so you match it with roar. Rabbit can hop, you can match with hop. Birds can chirp, so you match it with chirp. Mosquito stings, so you write with sting. Earthworm can crawl, so you write down crawls. Duck can quack, so duck you match it with quack, and horse with gallops. So these are the actions which are performed by these animals. So you do this. We will be doing the next exercises in our next class. Thank you.